Hi, my name is Martin from M&K Roofing. We're on a property today over in London looking at a dormer roof. The GRP system has been installed but incorrectly. Make sure ever you get to install a GRP roof to check their credentials, as there's a lot of cowboys out there, so-called GRP installers, and they don't know what they're doing. What we'll be doing, we'll be removing this roof, stripping it back and doing it correctly.
To do so in general practice.
So the really bruising relationship between junior doctors and the Department of Health in the last year hasn't helped.
As you can see, the extent of the damage is completely rotten. Final finish in a graphite grey, which is a former resin itself. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below.